step down from the car. I want to use it.
Are you mad?
Excuse me? You heard my sister. Now, step out from the car. We want to use it.
Who asked you to talk with your cheap wig? Listen, I'm going out. Don't stress me.
Mr. Man, will you step down from that car? You integrated a midget.
Is this a joke or what? Is this some kind of joke? Or have you lost your manners, asking me to step down from the car? What happens to your normal cars?
He thinks we're joking. Is this a joke to you?
You slapped me.
Of course, you deserve the slap.
What is happening here?
Can you imagine the God?
Shut it. I want to see the three of you inside immediately. Will you stop that rubbish? Stop it, son! What is your problem?
No! Loser! You deserve to die, you loser!
Prince Ikem, I want you inside.
Prince Ikem, if you want peace, his name is peace. Don't take him for granted. Aburapoya kabana murobo.
I do not care what transpired amongst you out there. I'm not interested. But I want all of you to listen to me. I'm sending this as a warning. Do not watch your dirty linen in public again. Have I made myself clear?
And that is not a way to solve a problem, especially a family problem. This imbecile, this lunatic, slapped my daughters. You as the father and king could not give him the punishment he deserved.
You are taking this matter too far.
Really?
I would rather advise that you don't take this matter too far, but rather take your two daughters inside and caution them properly.
Really?
Yes.
Adugo, Natachi, to your room. To your room now!
But Father,
not a word from you. Leave my presence. Leave my presence!
Unacceptable! Mother, how can that idiot, that nitwit, how can that useless shenanigan slap my sisters and then he think he can go scot-free? Huh? It is not possible. Not while I am still alive. He should ask questions. He should go and ask questions. There's a reason I am called Prince Dike, aka Abia State First Son. I am not called Abia State First Son in vain. I will deal with him. I will deal with him personal if he doesn't tell me why he slapped my sisters. What?
It's okay. So sorry, my darling. If there is anybody that should be blamed for all these things happening, that person is your father. Yes! It's because of the hand he gave that lout, that idiot. That is why he's doing all these things. I don't blame him. He's claiming son. Who has evidence of him being the king's son? Impost Hanamarebo Siesi. I'm son. Is there any proof to show he's your father's son?
He gave me a dirty slap. He's beating me.
You see what I am talking about? You see, I don't like seeing my sisters cry. I don't like seeing them being hurt. You see what I'm talking about, mother? I will deal with that boy. I will kill that boy. I will personally destroy that boy in this palace. Silly things. Excuse me. Silly things.
It's okay. Alright? I will call one of the maids to bring ice block to dab and massage your face, okay?
Okay, mommy.
I'm sorry. Idiot.
Do you want to injure me?
Sorry, my prince. Idiot. You are one migrated ostrich from the planet of Pluto. Are you stupid? Also, I've used it that way. Are you crazy?
My princess, I'm sorry.
And did you just hit my head?
No.
Now get back to work.
I'm sorry. That guy is a devil. He's a devil. He wants to kill me. Are you sick? No. You're crazy.
I'm so happy he put them in their place.
I am happy too. They are taking more than required in this palace. Imagine her raising her hands on the prince of our land.
What do you expect from mannerless daughters of a mannerless queen? They must behave like their mother.
But come to think of it, the prince that I know respects and honors these people as his blood. Why are they not returning the respect? I don't understand.
Are you asking me? I'm just a maid in here.
Nah, my dear. You dey sweet me, oh.
Hey!
Sorry.
Your hand. I'm sorry. Yeah. Sorry, how are you? Yes.
Igwe, in a situation like this, I will advise you don't take sides with anybody. Yes, the girls overstepped their boundaries by raising their hands on a crowned prince. That is not good. I will blame them myself. And the prince himself too did something that is equally not good by retaliating. It's a childish act. I will advise you don't take sides with either of them as it stands now.
That is it. I blamed all of them. I never sided any. But the queen kept on siding her daughters. Oh no. That woman is too naggy. She is a problem I'm having in this household. My queen and her daughters. Something has to be done about it. It's getting on my nerves.
You will take it easy. Take it easy. You see, these are children. They are children. And what they are doing, I believe, is a childish act. We should, behave as parents that we are in situations like this. We are the ones that prayed to have children even. They did not come on their own. So I believe we should understand that as they are growing, they will begin to make amends, they will begin to take corrections. Let's just allow them and do not allow yourself to anger much so that it will not affect the kingdom, the entire kingdom.
I hope so. I just hope so. But honestly, I'm tired.
That is good. Just calm down, take it easy. And I believe everything will fall to much.
That woman is becoming too naggy to my liking.
If you want peace, his name is peace. Don't take him for granted.
God.
Fighting all the time.
Yes, my prince.
I changed my 4 tires few days back. So why is that one flat?
Oh, my prince, it's deflected.
Why?
I don't know, my prince.
Alright. Fix it, I have a meeting to catch. Okay. Don't waste time.
Now go be the edge to the throne. Now go be the edge to the throne. Now go be the edge to the throne. Now go be the edge to the throne.
I feel good, pa-na-na-na-na-na-na. I know that I would, pa-na-na-na-na-na-na. I feel good, pa-na-na-na-na-na-na. I know I would, pa-na-na-na-na-na-na. So good, pam-pam, so good, pam-pam. I know you would, pam-pam-pam-pam-pam. Hey, who they breathe? Who they breathe? Hey.
What's again, boy?
Wait. Our Cisco. That is girl. Come on, get up from there. Joke. I feel good. Mother, I am celebrating my victory.
What are you talking about? What victory?
Mother, I made that useless boy. He came. I made him lose an important meeting. As we speak right now, he is in his room, crying, regretting everything. I am the champion, the number one, Abia State first son.
Hey! See? I like this your song.
Yes.
I feel good.
Ba-na-na-na-na-na.
I know that I would.
Ba-na-na-na-na-na. I feel good. Ba-na-na-na-na-na.
Hey!
How did you do it? How are you able to achieve that?
All right, let me tell you. Hey, go to the backyard and make yourself useful. Go inside and make yourself useful.
This is wonderful.
Exactly how it happened.
You see, this thing you just did to him, it is nothing compared to what I have in store for him.
I trust you.
See me? I am heading to kill.
Yes, sir.
I am targeting to bring him down at all costs.
I love you, Mama.
Hey! I need to celebrate this.
I love you, Mama.
Another award. I feel good. Another award.
So good. Bum, bum.
So good.
Another award.
And you are happy? Are you having a laugh right now? Do you realize that slap hurts? It's so painful.
Very, very painful. I can feel that someone just slapped me right now. I can feel the pain. It's so painful. That stupid boy.
Like, what do you want me to do? You want me to go there and slap him back?
Did you just ask that question? Someone just slapped your sisters and all you can do is sit down here and ask some questions like some mommy's boy? Are you serious right now? You have to fight for our sake. You are our only brother. Were you just going to sit down and just do nothing? Who the hell is it to raise his future hands on us? Is he mad or something? Move! You're not a tree, man.
It's a wrap for that boy. It's a wrap for that boy. It's a wrap for that boy.
Sister, you just wasted your time. Honestly, sending DK to go and slap Ikem is like sending him on a suicide mission. Yes. This one, he has not even finished drinking juice. Now you're sending him to go and slap someone. Doesn't even stand a chance. He doesn't stand a chance.
Well, it doesn't matter. Let him do something at all. After all, they're both men, right? They should face each other. Who the hell is Prince? It came in the first place.
When he slapped me, he slapped the heart. They pay me.
I gave him the insult of his life. Why? Like he didn't do anything wrong. He only asked for your hand in marriage.
Wait. Gina, if you're in my place, would you accept him back? He left me when I needed him the most. He made me suffer. I barely survived it. Wait, you talk as if you don't know the story.
That was 8 years ago. Obina left the city in search of a greener pasture. And he did not break up with you. He came back for you.
Who cares? I don't care. I don't want him back in my life. anymore. I don't even care if he exists. I have moved on. So he can do the same.
Oma, my friend, looking into your eyes, you still love Obi now. Me, I know you still love him. Stop pretending before you lose this guy to another girl.
I don't care. I don't even want to have anything to do with him again. In fact, you can have him, okay? I doubt you.
I can have him. Yeah, is that what you're saying? Yeah. As if you won't be jealous if you see me and Obina now.
I doubt you.
Seriously?
Yeah. Jealous of what? I said that you can have him. I don't care. This place, there's no space for him.
You've made up your mind though?
Yes.
Well, it's fine. It's fine.
If you want peace, his name is peace. Don't take him for granted.
Greetings, my prince. Your juice is ready.
Bring it here.
Okay, my prince.
Now we go be the heir to the throne. Now we go be the heir to the throne. Can fighting solve this problem? Now we go be the heir to the throne. We go be the heir. Now we go be the heir to the throne. Now we go be the heir to the throne. Let you go when any family go. Now we go be the heir to the throne. Now we go be the heir to the throne. Now we go be the heir to the throne. Now we go be the heir to the throne. Now we go be the heir to the throne.
If I only take your fat self out of this place. Get out!
Sis?
That girl is so annoying.
What happened?
Goodness God! She just wasted the whole substance.
How?
Please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It wasn't intentional, please. I'm sorry. Please, I'm sorry.
Are you mad?
No, please,
Huh?
I'm sorry.
Are you blind?
No, I
What do you mean you're sorry? Look at my body. What do you mean you are sorry? Are you mad? Are you mad?
Please, I'm sorry.
Fighting all the time. Now we go be the heir to the throne. Now we go be the heir to the throne. Now we go be the heir to the throne. Can fighting solve this problem? Now we go be the heir to the throne. We go be the heir. Now we go be the heir to the throne. Now we go be the heir to the throne. Let you go when any family go. Now we go be the heir to the throne. Now we go be the heir.
Oh no. It's alright, but it's not her fault. So just let it go. It's our brother's fault and not hers.
What are you talking about? He's already on a mission to give him a slap back. So we have to start all afresh.
Yes, we just have to start all over again. Just let it go, okay? You want some juice?
I don't.
I'm not surprised at all if he can humble himself like a commoner and accommodate everyone. Then he can make a good king and a good husband as well.
You're right, my sister. Not like that his stepbrother who is so full of himself and arrogant.
This life no balance. Two boys from one man. One is opposite of each other. Who would believe that two of them are from the same father? The king is so gentle and calm like Prince Ikem. Not that so-called Prince Ike. That is like fire, like, I don't know.
Like the mother, the queen.
Are you trying to tell me that the queen is not gentle and calm as she appears to be?
It's like you've not come across the queen. The queen is so arrogant and she does not regard anybody at all as long as you're not royalty. Even the villagers are very, very scared of her. And everybody knows.
Hey. Oh God. Sorry for that woman that will marry into the family. That royal family.
What if you're the one?
Is that joke? God forbid. It can never be me. I mean, God will give me a man. You know I love freedom. A man that will love me the way I am. Not for me to go and cage myself in that royal cage.
So you're rejecting royalty, right? You're rejecting royalty.
Oh no. I had wanted to invite you over to the palace. But this thing we want to discuss now is not something anybody can hear about or what we can talk about in the palace. Please, I want you to join forces with me. The Igwe has started behaving funny. He has forgotten all the promises he made to me before I accepted to marry him. He does not want to accept Prince Dike as the crown prince of this land. Odimma.
When I was warning you, you refused to listen.
Can you stop? I know I made a mistake, but there's still time to correct it. That is why I have you. That is why I need you more than ever now. I want Ikem out of the way for good.
You know what I can do? Ikem can be said to be in my palm. I can do with him whatever I wish. If you want him dead, if you want him to continue to be breathing, however.
No. I don't want him dead for now. All I want is for him to stay clear so that my son can stand out. You know what I mean? You know how we run things now? I'll send you 250,000, okay?
Okay. But when? You know, it's taken time since. I mean, are you trying to deny me?
Can you calm down? I came here to discuss something important.
Let's see if there's a... You're like denying...
My prince, in life you should be open-minded and avoid anything that will make you to be envious. You see, nothing kills a man in this life than jealousy and envy. If you must survive in this life, you have to do everything within your power to avoid these two things. The reason why you are still alive today is because you are simple and straightforward. I mean, the forces gathering against you are too many, but they will all fail.
Agumba, you are a great man of wisdom.
Thank you.
And that's one of the reasons I chose you as my friend in this village.
I am honored.
Yes. My spirit told me that you are a good man and a good advisor.
My prince, a good advisor, yes. A good man, no. I'm not a good man. You know, good people die before their time. And I don't want to die before my time. I want to live long.
Alright, Agumba.
My friends.
I have come to tell you and also seek your advice. There is war in the palace.
The queen and her children are fighting you. They want you out of their way, I know.
How did you know?
My prince, I am Agumba the Great. You see, what the gods don't know does not exist. But leave the war for the gods. Do yours as a human, you know. They shall gather. They shall gather. There is no guessing in the fact that they shall not. They shall gather. But they shall scatter. They shall scatter. They shall.
Agumba the Great.
I am with you, my prince. I am on Ija. I am on Ija.
Thank you very much, Agumba the Great.
My prince.
Oh no. I suggest we stop saying for now. At least enable us focus on achieving our goals. Prince Dike is of age now. We need to fight to make sure he gets his right.
This is where I'm having a big challenge.
How?
What you're saying is right. Dike needs to have what rightfully belongs to him. The king these days no longer gives me listening attention. That's my worry.
That's not a problem at all. You warm yourself back into his heart. Because you'll be the one to convince him to crown Prince Dike the Isiaka of this land. So how can you do that if he doesn't listen to you anymore?
I'm just thinking, but what if I speak with him and he refuses?
Really? Then he leaves me with no other option than to fight with the last drop of the blood in my veins. It's a promise. And that fight is going to be brutal. I mean bloody.
See, this is why I love you. Because I can see the determination.
I'll be on my way. Let me walk to my car.
See you soon.
Soon again?
Yes, soon. I know why.
I enjoyed myself though.
All right, take care. Have a nice day.
Oh, my queen.
Wow. Always looking gorgeous.
You are a maid. A maid from birth. You are born to serve. Born as a maid. And a maid you are in this palace. Until you realize your position and stick to it. That is when you stop having issues with my daughter, the princess. What is wrong with this idiot?
What is driving me nuts is the way she actually carries herself like some queen. Isn't it, very clear and obvious that she has something to do with that useless prince? If not, where is the panache coming from?
My queen, I'm innocent.
Just shut up your mouth. How dare you? How dare you open that hole in between your face to talk when royalties are talking? Have you lost your sense of timing?
Hey, don't you have fear and respect? If you open that gutter you call a mouth again, you go collect woto. Who goes you now? Are you mad? Huh? In fact, close your eyes. Close your eyes and remain still. If you say anything again here, I will deal with you personally. Stupid fool.
You're going to remain here, you see, under this sun till evening. And so all of you, because you all are going to stay here and watch over her. And it will serve as a deterrent to all of you. Anybody that messes with my children gets it hot from me. Idiot. Look at her stupid face. Shut up!
In fact,
my queen.
You still want to talk? In fact, lie down. I said lie down, my friend.
Look at this girl. Scallywag. How dare you talk? Huh? Maid like you. Lie down and face the ground.
You're talking to us like that. Are we your mate?
Huh? Lie down and face the ground. Lie down.
He wants to talk. Look at him. He wants to talk.
Ah, my prince.
Who's giving you morale? My friend, lie down properly. Oh, this your dry nyash. Bomb, very stiff.
What are you doing with the bomb? Leave her! This idiotic girl. Leave her alone!
Let me touch it again. Very hard. Very hard. Well, let's go inside and enjoy ourselves.
My friend, lie down. Marry the ground. Both of you, watch over her. She stands up from here. I will deal with both of you personally. Am I understood?
Stop fighting what you cannot fight. Be careful, my queen. If I'm a makuku naga wala wala nenuwa. Anya naga sansan na fukwaya. Cause whatever you say, na that you must reap. So be one. A stubborn fly, follow scope to the grave. A stitching time, saves nine. Now see what you.
That is not acceptable by me. I want to warn all of you. They are your servants and not your slaves. All of them came from homes and should be treated like people that came from homes. What is your problem? I want to even ask all of you here. Should any of these servants decide to leave this palace tomorrow, what will you do? Does any of you know how to do anything in this compound? You can't cook. You can't take care of house chores. What will happen if they decide to leave? Please, for the last time, I do not want repeat performance of this in this palace.
Wait, just wait a minute. Is that why you called my children and I out here to scold us? I don't understand.
What are the meanings of those words? Like I said, they are not your slaves, they are your servants. And they should be treated as such. I don't want repeat performance of this any longer. How can you beat a servant to the extent of falling sick? Is that not man's humanity to man? And I don't want it in my kingdom any longer. I have spoken.
But Dad...
That's what? Shut your trap. I don't want your contributions. You in particular.
Father, those maids of yours are useless. They are doing too much in this palace. Take a good look at me. A handsome prince. Look at my sister, a beautiful princess. And there goes my mother, the most beautiful woman on earth. Those useless servants of yours, have no atom of respect for us. They don't fear us, they don't regard us. Makaginekwa. They only pay loyalty, respect, and obedience to Prince. He came. I want to ask you, Father, is he the only royalty in this palace? Is he?
Zubby.
Son, respect is reciprocal. And you do not deserve it. You don't.
Why?
You do not even have respect for yourself. You don't obey your father. You don't take instructions. How do you want another person to obey you? It is practically impossible. It is karmic.
Are you done? Because we were busy before we were told you were calling us. Meanwhile, I want to know the difference between a maid and a servant. A maid is a servant is a maid. So I don't know why and where your interest lies in this matter. I only punished her, I did not beat her. So no punishment kills.
What has come over you?
I don't know.
I would better ask you to go and marry your dictionary. Those people are from Hodes. And like I said, I do not want repeat performance of that. You don't have any right to beat a maid to the extent of the maid falling sick.
Father,
I have spoken.
They go collect woto.
I have spoken.
They go collect woto. Simple and short. Mother, let's go. They go collect woto. In this palace, they go collect woto. Let's go, my dear sister. I don't know what you are doing here. Father, you don't want to understand us, your children. Everything is about Prince King. They go collect woto. That's what I'll see.
Always remember the law of retributive justice.
It's okay, my dear. The doctor said you will be fine, okay? Ijoma.
Yes, my prince.
Make sure she eats her food before taking her drugs.
My prince, there is no food for the maids and guards.
I don't understand. Meaning?
The queen instructed the cook not to cook for us for 3 days as a punishment.
What? That will never happen. Not when I'm still in this palace. Follow me.
Okay, my prince.
Not otherwise, the palace is on fire. Oh, yes, Saloma. Who is behind this? The palace is on fire. Oh, yes, Saloma. Under the nose of our queen. The palace is on fire. Oh, yes, Saloma. Who is behind this?
Shut up, man, shut up. Leave me alone, I'm talking. My friend. I was telling you sorry.
Not just your meat. Yeah, wait, bring that.
Shut up! What is going on here? Open it.
I
don't know how to say your name. What are they eating? Don't give them food. Are you dead? I'm asking you.
My queen. Okay, sorry. It was Prince came. Yes, Prince came. I say, Mama, give them food. You know, say I go there now, hungry. He say make I cook small, but small food I give them. He say if I not do them, say you go pursue me, you go sack me for here. I know say I no get another place where I go. Because don't sack me.
It's a very good one. He said if you don't give them food, you'll be fired.
Yes.
And now I fire you. Yes. For violating my orders, going against my orders, you are fired. And you people, you open your stupid mouth to eat my food.
How dare you disrespect the queen?
Hey!
We are not eating, ma.
Eh?
No.
How dare you disrespect the queen? My mother.
Shut up.
Yeah. How dare you?
Give him.
No, my prince. Now small food, no small food I give them.
How dare you disrespect the queen?
Only small food I cook. Not be plenty food.
Who gave you the order? Huh? How dare you disrespect the queen? Receive it. Receive it. How dare you disrespect the queen? Receive it. Receive it. How dare you? How dare you disrespect the queen? Receive it. Anointing. How dare you disrespect the queen? Huh? Receive it. Receive it. Who gave you the order? Receive it.
Are you stupid? Have you gone bananas? How dare you disobey my orders in this house? I don't understand.
Can you please tell me why you're making noise?
What is going on here? Ikem, what is happening?
Father, all thanks to the gods that you are now here. Since she can't talk, let me tell you what happened.
Shut it. If the queen cannot talk to me, then she should leave my presence immediately. Get out of my sight. You and your son, this moment.
Who cares? Huh? Who cares? Nobody cares about you and your useless son.
Hey! Open this.
Open this door! We are just addicted to noise. Father, who does that? Even the maiden that is sick as a result of her punishment could not even take her drugs because she said no food.
Ikem, what actually is going on in my palace? Has she lost it? Does she actually know the implications of what she did?
She can actually punish her subject, but to an extent. Starving people for 3 good days is inhuman and totally unacceptable.
Completely unacceptable, and I am not going to take this matter lying low. I'm not going to discharge it like that. Honestly, I must handle this matter with total precision. Has she completely lost it? She must be called to order. If not, I'll be forced to take the kind of action you will not believe. It is getting to me here.
She and her children are so much into noise and unnecessary drama. It's irritating. And just know.
My dear, I'm so happy we have someone like Prince Ikem in this palace. If not for him, we don't die of hunger and starvation.
What happened?
It's the queen, oh. The queen ordered the cook not to cook for us for 3 days. Trust me now. I told Prince Ikem. He went straight to the kitchen and changed the order. If not for him, you would not die.
I'm so surprised Prince Ikem came to check up on me personally.
Yeah. That guy is a good guy.
Seriously.
He invited the royal doctor to come and treat you.
Sure.
And I also heard that the king is not happy the way the queen treated you.
Not just that. Henceforth, all of you will be treated with equal love and respect.
Thank you, my prince.
And you must also get your salary fully paid every month end. So how is she faring?
My prince, as you can see, she's better today than yesterday.
My dear, I hope you're getting better.
I'm fine, my prince. Thank you for everything.
You don't have to thank me. As far as I'm concerned, the palace will never function well without guards and maidens. As a matter of fact, you all deserve more respect and love because you work 2/4/7.
Thank you, my prince.
We are one. They don't understand that the palace can never function well without you people. So we are one, okay? No one has blue blood running in their veins. So Kingo, Quino, Gado, Medinto, we are all one and should be treated with equal love and respect.
Thank you.
As far as I'm in this palace, that's how it should be. So feel free, okay?
Thank you, my prince.
And lest I forget, I'm giving you 2 more days to recover fully before resuming to work.
Thank you, my prince. Thank you very much. Thank you, my prince.
You're welcome.
2 days. Extra 2 days. I feel like being in your space. Come and stay on this bed and feel my pain. Let me go and do your work.
That pain, my innocent.
I'm in this bed. More 2 days.
Okay, thank you very much.
My prince.
You know, I do not blame him. I blame father. Because if not for him, he would have seen Pepe in this palace. He would have so dealt with him. What the hell does he even think he is?
Honestly, that guy is too pompous, full of himself. I'm wondering where they brought him from.
I don't care where he's coming from. Be it Zimbabwe, Gambia, Togo, Ivory Coast, Cameroon. I don't bloody care. I don't bloody care. All I'm saying is this. I cannot sit here and watch that imposter take what rightfully belongs to me. The Crown Prince. He can take it from me.
Well, it is already done because father already promised to give him the Isiaka. And you, the Otto Enyi. And I'm sure you know what that means.
What? Where did you hear this from?
Mother knows about it.
What? Mother knows about this?
Yes.
And she didn't tell me? Why? Why? Why am I not informed? What? Mother! I can't believe this. I cannot believe this. Mother knows about this in this palace and she didn't tell me. Huh? I'm just hearing this for the first time. In fact, off to her room. Off to her room.
Sis, why is he looking all shocked?
Well, what do you expect from a mommy's boy? And I'm sure he's running straight to mommy's room as usual.
Well,
I must confess, your father is fun to be with. Unlike my father who hardly smiles.
But your father is always excited anytime I visit.
That's for you, because he likes you a lot. And he also respects royalty than anything.
For real?
Yes, for real. Don't worry. You will get to know him very well.
For real?
Yes.
I hope... Come on. Stop. We're outside, my lady.
Oh, I see. But do I have to hide before I can kiss my husband to be?
Why don't you wait until we are officially married before kissing?
I must not wait until we are officially married before I can have a taste of my man.
According to our tradition, you are supposed to wait until you are officially married.
That's your tradition, not mine. Come on.
We're outside. People are around here. Please.
I see. I'll see you soon.
All right, my lady.
Can I get a hug?
Of course.
All right. Take care.
And you too. Drive safe.
Thank you.